You know what we're gonna do today? We're doing gingerbread houses.
Y'all ready?
Yeah. Yes.
They already eating up the jelly beans. That's supposed to, some of them are nasty while you just putting them all in your mouth.
Some of them are nasty, don't eat them.
Some of them are disgusting.
I just ate one that's disgusting. They're supposed to be.
I bought these from Costco like 3 years ago, and
3 years ago.
it's only halfway filled because most of them are nasty as hell. So
you heard in the video. Those things.
Most of them are nasty.
Why are you eating them? Those things are like, what's it called again? Expired.
It's not. It's candy. I mean, it's sugar.
It
does say expired. It does say expired May 2021, which has passed technically.
Those things are expired.
But it's sugar. Sugar don't really expire, child.
I'm gonna get the blue one.
I'm gonna show you.
All those are these
We got this one. We got these from Walmart. These two.
Right there. Eat it. I ate the blue. It's good. I'm sure the blue ain't too bad, bro.
And then we got this one from Five Below. I tried to find more like this. Like, you know, like a I don't know, like a brand candy kind, but it was really hard to find. So we got these ones that were they're already pre-built. These two from Walmart.
Guys, I'm gonna open my box. We're gonna see what's inside.
Hold on.
But mommy opened it. Hello, guys. It's about to be Christmas, so we're making gingerbread houses.
So the pre-made gingerbread houses, they come with like one of these piping bags, and so you kind of have to prepare it. You get some scissors. You want to cut just a little piece off.
You need mom and dad's supervision.
Okay, so you want to cut just a little piece off the tip. They say like 3/4 of an inch. So, and then you want to take the little tip that comes with it, and you put it inside the bag.
And then you put the icing in there, and then you spray it out. And you need that because if it drips down, you don't want to make a mess. It's because you don't want to make it a mess.
Cut enough. Cut a little bit.
You don't want to make a mess, so that's why you have this bag. Mommy, do you remember one day I bladed my gingerbread house?
And then you would cut this.
You gotta be careful to not spill it, or we're doomed.
Open our bag like so, and then we're gonna pour
the thing,
our icing in the bag.
Icing inside. It looks like someone's pooping out white. Someone's pooping out a lot of white. It's like the first time when it first came out. It's like someone was doing that and they have a lot of white poop. It's like someone's.
All right, you want to hold the bag this side?
Yeah. I have a lot.
And that's it. And then when you go to use it, you just kind of twist the top like that, and you start squeezing. But we're not ready for ours yet, so we're just gonna put it aside.
I love choice ball. I have a building one. Mom, I love choice ball. Mommy's gonna help me build all this. Hey guys, I have my gingerbread house. This is Troy's gingerbread house.
Okay.
So it comes off. Because these are just going up, down, up, down, up, down. Like that.
We just need a couple more minutes and she will dry.
You can do
it.
The roof will go on top my roof.
So you want to do your door?
Yeah. I'm just going to build the top.
Okay. And look, you can make it look like snow, so you can put the marshmallows on the floor over here.
What are you chewing? Stop.
Where are the marshmallows?
But it says I ate something. Did Mommy?
Okay, good.
You're not gonna put some candies on the ground.
No, you can put marshmallows on the ground.
The green thing, yeah.
You're gonna put it up there. You should put it here.
Oh,
the other green one.
I have to make my
Here.
shoes.
Okay. And I'm gonna put these here.
There we go.
And then you can start putting stuff on your roof.
I can put these on my roof. They're long.
Okay.
I said I'm gonna put them right here, but I'm gonna put them up here instead. Hey, those are lines that you can fill it in. Look at this. And mommy, actually, you can actually take their, you can actually bite their head off, and you can bite the other Sour Patch Kids or legs off, and you can put it on the other Sour Patch Kids that have.
Stand them up like this. And you can stand up on your door.
Yeah, like it's their house.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Troy, what do you need?
Where
do you want me to put it?
Like they're up here.
Okay.
Thing.
And then should I
top of the tree?
Oh, finish up here the roof?
Yeah. Mommy, I'm gonna pretend like a Sour Patch Kid, like it's on top of the roof. I'm gonna put a Sour Patch Kid on the roof, like he's climbing up the roof. Okay. To get the candy that's on the roof.
You want me to make you a chimney with that, right?
Yeah. But you gotta make me another one. And we have Sour Patch Kids left. One's falling down from the roof. One's on top of the roof. Boom. Wait, you keep dropping your hand. I need some right here.
You want some right there?
Yeah. Look, guys. Now this side just looks ugly.
Okay. So now all we do is leave it. You just do that one. Just do that one. Here, let me give him a little bit more icing first. The icing doesn't work. Put that down. Here. Now go ahead and stick some stuff on it before it dries. Okay, so
what are you doing?
you can just
They got it. I got the pattern all fixed. Now I just
put some more stuff on here.
This side looks good. This side is just absolutely horrible. I'm gonna do a different kind of pattern. I'm gonna do orange and yellow. Yellow. Orange.
Here you go, Troy, do some more. Some in there. Fill in the gaps. Come on, put some more things over there. Uh-oh, get my hand in and mess up. So fill in the gaps. Put the little ones in there. So fill it in.
Actually,
It's just like snow.
yeah, I'm gonna use this up actually. I kind of want it like a circle and then you go down. Like, you know, like the icicles.
I don't know how to do that. Oh, like how they did it?
Yeah, like how they did it.
I'm not for sure how to do that. Let me try. One.
I have no use of this. Can I just
Like
put it
that.
here?
Oh, I did it.
Mom, I have no use of this. That's actually good.
So show the camera. Doing little.
We're doing little ice. Ice. Like it's frozen. Like the house is. Like the house has. Like I don't care. There's froze stuff over there. I wasn't gonna eat them anyways. I took the window pieces from over there, and I'm thinking.
Okay, I think I did that.
Wasn't this? Never mind. I got for your shirt that I got back on. I'm off your chair, Troy. There's big ones and little ones. The red ones are big and the little ones are just little. And the purple ones are little. I'm off. And Mommy, I told you to make it. Get off my chair. Get off my chair. Get off. No! Mommy! When it's not dry. I'm cracking the thing when it's not dry. That's right. No. I pushed it down when it's not dry.
Guys, stop. What I say? What did I say? Get down. gave you some ice. Some ice.
Yeah. Icicles.
Icicles.
How does do it? You like my house?
Yes. Oh my gosh, it stinks.
Yeah, just like them. Oh, bro, don't pet it.
It really does stink.
Hey, God. It absolutely stings. So that's how we put his butt up in the air and fart it.
Stop doing that.
You just squat down, put his butt right up in the air and fart it.
Please stop. Stop. And you're messing up his house.
I know, and Jace just scared me. Jace just made me flinch because I don't have that much ice cream. What are you eating, child?
Right there.
What are you eating?
Good?
What does it smell like that?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna just make lights. It doesn't like that. Marshmallows. Don't dare fart. Really? We're disgusting. That's controlled by the devil.
Sometimes I think so. He does act like a devil spawn.
It's like the devil's on. It's like the devil's on this side. It's like the devil's on this side to his back, and the angels on this side to his back. And then the devil's over, and then Troy only listens to the devil. What?
It's something. It's something, child. It's something.
This is my gingerbread house. Yeah, right. Bye. You cannot look under my shirt. Are you only gonna do this like that? This ice is amazing. What is my face doing? What is my doing on my face?
I have been eating so much ice lately.
Make sure to subscribe and like and share. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring and the notifications too. And share.
My kids are better than yours.
Mommy, and what do you want? Dang. Wow. Troy's house is good. No, mine's just the best. Yours is the best, Troy. Mommy. Troy, do you like my house?
So far.
And look.
And then I'm gonna
This is Troy's. Troy's the best.
finished.
You know what I rate? Mom, I give Troy a 10 out of 10.
Jace, I don't know. I mean, Jace is only 5, so what can you expect from a 5-year-old? You can't expect much, you know what I mean? But
I'll get Troy's 10 out of 11.
he still did good though.
10 out of 11.